internal resistance and temperature and so on. At the same time, we will collect the battery model's information. This is the complete production process of battery models, which is a fully automated production line that will greatly improve the battery production efficiency. Before the production of the battery packs, we will conduct air handling on the board. Then we will pre-install the components. Next, we apply the glue on the bottom of the battery box to better secure the models. Here we will put the models into the box. We bend the models to the box with a QR code. And then we will install the BMS. Here we will conduct an EOL test for the whole battery pack, also air handling test and pulse test for the whole battery pack. We have 4 production lines like this, which have been basically debugged and will soon be able to produce